I know this oversized camping chair is geared towards bigger people, but I am in love with this thing. This is so big, I can stretch out very comfortably. I can sit any way I want, but I want to show you the most comfortable part. It's the padding. So you have all these big padding tufted areas all throughout the seat, the back, and the headrest. Really comfortable. Probably the most comfortable camping chair I've ever sat in. I do love that it comes with this extra little like carrying pouch here, a nice cup holder, and then just like any other camping chair, it's going to fold up. And then you're going to be able to strap it together just so it doesn't fall apart on you when you're walking. And it comes with a really great carrying strap, so if you want to move it from one place to another without having to put it in its bag, it does still come with a bag. It's really great too. My husband is a big guy, 6'3", over 200 pounds, and this is his favorite chair when I let him have it. So perfect for camping, perfect for sitting outside, doing yard work, perfect for sitting around the fire. Definitely a 10 out of 10 from me. If you're looking for something like this, I'm going to put this one's link down in the description below.